Hi guys!
Hey guys, good morning.
Another day after the birthday. We were very tired from yesterday. All that party. I was like, today I'm not really feeling that well. All my sinus is infected, and it's terrible when you feel. I feel like this.
Yeah.
Is there a difference on my voice, Sunny?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Your dad was very excited, man. He was so shocked. It was nice to see him so happy. He was very shocked.
Yeah.
Very happy.
By the way, thank you so much, guys, for all your greetings to my father's birthday. My dad, he looks good for 60.
Yeah, sure.
I don't
good shape.
I don't even see any gray hair to my dad. My mom, a few years younger than him. My mom has a lot of like gray hair in the front, but my dad barely have gray hair.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
Doing good shape because he works hard.
Yeah. Today is just another day, just me and Dennis in here. We don't know what we're gonna do today, but first of all, we need to find some breakfast. What you're gonna have for breakfast?
Maybe I'll make an egg salad again.
Yeah, that's good. Well, for me, I'm probably gonna eat the leftover because they sent me some leftover yesterday, so that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. Who's gonna eat it?
That sounds good.
Unless you're gonna help me, but it's all meat. Then Dennis is not really a fan of like meat, so
No.
yeah.
Some meat, but not. I don't have to have meat every meal.
Yeah, I know. Well, I'm gonna start our day. I'm just dealing. That's why I have a wet handkerchief because I don't like smelling dry. My nose is just. I don't feel like I'm having cold. It's just really my sinus. Because when my sinus gets dried, and then it just
Well, you need to go to the pharmacy and get some over-the-counter decongestant or something.
No, I don't think I need something like that. Yeah. Anyway, we're just starting our day. We'll see what's gonna happen the rest of the day. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do also is like I'm gonna remove my tattoo today. It's still there, and but it's kind of like fading a little bit, like it's erasing a little bit. And some of them thought it was a real tattoo, but my aunt told me yesterday saying, Marisa, why did you why did you write a pen on your arm? Oh my gosh. She didn't think it was a tattoo, so anyway.
Alright, baby. Hey
guys. Nothing to do. We're just hanging out here in the balcony.
Yeah, I want to show them the view of the balcony where we're sitting.
Yeah.
We're sitting out front, so this is the view.
Yeah.
From our sitting in our front balcony.
I thought you were gonna.
What?
I thought you were gonna say you were gonna show that I'm gonna remove my tattoo.
Well, I am going to show that as soon as I get done. Okay, now I'm going to show removing of the tattoo.
Oh, my nose, my sinus is just so bad. My eyes is watering like I'm.
Okay.
Here I have the alcohol.
Oh, you don't have to laser it off?
Well, it's temporary.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, my eyes is just watering. My sinus is just.
I told you to go to the pharmacy and get something.
Yeah, I'm trying to remove it with the alcohol. It should be removed by the alcohol, huh?
I don't know what kind of ink it is.
I'm done with it. I'm gonna remove it right now. I hope it will be removed with the alcohol.
I don't know.
Oh my God! Oh yeah. It came off.
Oh, I see.
Wow, that's very cool.
Yeah.
I guess the alcohol. I didn't really know that it can be removed by the alcohol. I just assumed, and it worked.
That's good. It's a good thing for you. It works.
I'm done with it. I'm done with my tattoo. Maybe I'll have a different design next time. No, but I'm done with it because it's starting to fade anyway. Wow, it's gone.
No more tattoo.
Are you happy too that it's
Yeah,
gone?
I am happy. Yeah. Very happy.
Oh, my sinus is just so bad right now.
You need to take care of yourself.
Huh?
You're always harassing me about taking care of myself, but you don't take care of yourself the way
Well,
you
I'm
should.
taking care of myself. Sometimes we just don't feel good, honey.
Yeah, well, you need to go to the pharmacy and get something so you don't feel so bad.
No, I don't think I need something.
Rest my case.
Yeah, it's like I'm crying. You make me cry.
Yeah, right.
Dennis is making me cry.
Yeah, right.
That's why I don't plan on really going anywhere today. I just want to stay at home and deal with this. Hopefully, it will get better tomorrow. You know?
Yeah, let's hope so.
Yeah, this handkerchief I use because I'm more comfortable with it than anything. But I keep washing it like every hour.
Oh. Well, it makes you feel better.
Yeah. Well, it makes me feel better, the wet handkerchief,
Yeah.
because I feel like I don't like my nose to get when it gets
Infected.
dry. It's like it's very sensitive, you know. So that's why I like to use some wet handkerchief.
Oh, good, baby. I feel sorry.
Huh?
I feel sorry for you
Why?
because you don't feel good.
Well, I'm okay. I just, you know, sometimes there are just times that we're not okay physically.
Yeah, I know all about that.
I'm glad. I don't, you know, for me though, I would rather get sick though, honey, than you. Because if you get sick, I feel like I get more like more stressed out when he gets sick. I just don't like it. I would rather for myself to get sick than
No.
you know. But I know it's not. I don't have fever or I don't have like cough or nothing like that. It's just that my sinus really got infected.
No, that's what I'm talking about. If your sinus gets infected, you know, then it can spread to pulmonary, you know, not a pulmonary, but a
Pneumonia?
respiratory infection.
No, it's not gonna. I've experienced this before. That's why I'm very allergic to some like kind of like the cleaning materials,
Yeah.
like all those Clorox, and when I use them, I get like this too. Anyway, we'll see what's gonna happen. See, today is kind of like gloomy again. Earlier, it's starting to get hot, or the sun came out, but all of a sudden it became cloudy. So what else are we gonna do
Oh,
for
this
the
is
rest?
not hot.
Huh?
This is
Yeah,
not
it's
hot.
not hot actually. This is how I look right now. How do I look, honey?
Very pity. Very pity.
Every time I breathe some dry air,
Yeah.
it just my nose gets so sensitive.
Well, you need to go to the pharmacy.
Well, maybe later, you know. I probably have to end up going to the pharmacy because Dennis keep harassing me. Go to the doctor, go to the pharmacy.
Here, you want me to make you some chicken soup?
Well, do you wanna catch the neighbor's chicken there? Make chicken soup?
Well, it'll make you feel better.
Well, go ahead.
Catch the neighbor and make neighbor soup. It'll make you feel better.
Oh my god. Just really making some fun of the kind of situations, even though it feels terrible right now with my sinus, but still able to have fun.
Yeah, I have to look on the bright side of it. You know?
Yeah. What's the bright side about it?
You're not dying.
Well, yeah, that's true. Not yet.
Yeah.
I guess I need to go get medicine.
Yeah.
I thought I could just go on without getting a medicine, but I guess I need to. I just, my eyes keep staring, you know, like
Yes, you do need to.
it's staring like I am having a tampo. And maybe I'll just see if the Jollibee has a chicken breast, so we'll
Yeah.
have chicken breast for dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right,
I'll
get your
do-
medicine. Don't forget.
Yeah, I hope I can find something that will really make
Took me
it
all day
better.
long to convince her to go get medicine.
Well, I just didn't think that it would really get that bad, but you know, I guess it's not getting any better.
No, it's not. Get something good.
All right, I'll see you, honey.
All right.
Here at the pharmacy now. See, Mercury. This is where a place I always buy our medicine. Even some of Dini's medicine, but usually we have to get it in Tagum. But for some kind of like medicines here and there, like over-the-counter pain reliever, this is where I always get it. The Jollibee is just right beside it, so I'm just gonna get the medicine first before I go to Jollibee. I'm home, and like unusually, the Jollibee has chicken breast this time.
Yeah,
Usually they don't even have chicken breast. I mean, they have all the other parts of the chicken, but you know, no chicken breast. But this time it's amazing, they do.
That's good.
Yeah, and my medicine I just got, you know, it's, you can't get anything at the pharmacy unless you have a prescription. Like, they don't want to give me something that is just like, because I told them that I have a sinus infection, and they don't want to give it to me unless I have doctor's prescription. So they just give me some kind of like things that are just, it's like over-the-counter stuff, you know. So
Hopefully that'll work.
I know. Dennis is getting ready to cook something with the chicken breast.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what we're gonna have for dinner.
And corn and mashed potatoes and gravy.
Sounds great. Thank you, honey. Dinner is ready.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's eat, guys. Some nice mashed potato and gravy, and show the chicken breast. Honey. Yeah.
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken breast. Very nice. I was gonna thinking about chicken noodle soup, but instead of chicken noodle soup, it's chicken dry.
Yeah.
But that's, and also it would have been good, this chicken breast, you put it in a taco or burrito like that. But you know, we don't have the taco shell and taco wrap anyway, so for now we'll just wrap it with the mashed potato.
Yeah. My poor baby.
What are you doing?
Videoing my poor baby. So you don't feel good.
Well, I'm okay. I just need to get through the sinus infection. What?
Yeah, you need to take the medicine you got.
Well, I'm gonna take it tonight. It's supposed to make you drowsy.
Well, it's getting late. Anyway. So pity, baby.
I'm not pity.
So pity.
It's still light here outside, see?
Yeah, but it's getting dark.
Yeah, but it's already 5:30 right now. Actually, it's,
Yeah.
you know, the sun did not did it come out, the sun today? Or
Yeah,
not?
a little while.
For
it did.
for maybe an hour.
Yeah.
And since that,
was
it's just
overcast.
all gloomy. That's what's been going on today, and
Which is not much.
not really much. I was busy today.
Yeah, there you were.
I was busy wiping my nose.
You looked at town a couple of times.
Yeah, sorry if that kind of sounds gross, but I guess that's
Well,
normal.
people understand you don't feel good.
At least it's me that got sick, honey, not you.
Well, that's not good.
Anyway, guys, that's it for our video today. I'm probably gonna sleep early because I'm gonna take that medicine supposed to make you drowsy.
Hopefully you'll feel better tomorrow.
Yeah, I really hope so, honey.
No, I do too.
Me too.
Yeah, me too.
You know, it makes my eyes water so bad, you know,
Right.
like I'm crying. Like.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, that's it for the video today. Hopefully, next time it will
A
be...
little more exciting.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for
Thanks,
watching.
guys.
No matter what our video is, even if
Yeah.
I'm sick. Thank you for all your nice comments, and see you again soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.